Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. Today is the 16th of February 2022, and this is the CRISPR daily update. This is going to be a much slightly rushed kind of an update. I apologize for that. I've been busy with the CRISPR earnings and then with the PACB earnings, so I'm a bit rushed. So I'm going to keep everything as short as possible. Let us start with the news first, and then we'll go on to the technical analysis and the indicators and all that, all those good things. So the very first news item is a good news story, and this is regarding Intelia, ONK Inc. ONK is a Northern Ireland-based company. Intelia will receive up to $920 million from ONK Therapeutics in a collaboration agreement focused on CRISPR-edited natural killer cell therapies, the CAR-T therapies. ONK will get non-exclusive rights to Intelia's ex vivo gene editing and delivery tech on top of exclusive rights to specific guide RNAs for up to 5 NK cell therapies for various cancers. And in return for this, Intelia can receive up to $184 million per product through development and commercial milestones, and can also opt in to co-develop and co-commercialize up to 2 cell therapies with lead rights in the US. So that's what we have up here. So overall, Intelia is going to receive up to $920 million from ONK Therapeutics. So this is a very good news story that we have here. And that should definitely help pop Intelia shares. And if you look at the next news item which we got here, it's going to be gene editing on ticks promises insights into disease prevention. Now, this is much closer to my heart because I have 2 little dogs, and both of them need to get tick medication and insect medication every spring, and it goes on until early winter. And ticks carry a disease called Lyme disease, among other things, and it's very bad for humans. It cannot be cured. You can just manage the condition. So if the scientists are able to use CRISPR gene editing and somehow disable the Lyme disease, then it's going to be real good quality of life for many pets as well as pet owners. So I'm really happy about that. And so that is the quick roundup on all the news items that I have got here. And with that, I think we should start looking at the indices and get going with our technical analysis. Let's look at the VXN out here. And each of these candle is 1 day. And right now we have a support here at 31.07, which is this green line. And we are just hovering above it. We are at 31.40. So if we manage to come below that, then we have got our 20-day EMA, which is at 30.68, which is this orange line. That is going to be the next support. Our MACD is bearish, and momentum is also dropping slightly. So that's a good sign. Let us look at what's happening with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is down 1%. That's around 151 basis points. The MACD is bullish and the momentum is falling a bit. So there is still a chance that later on in the day, there might be a slight improvement in the NASDAQ. But let's go on to look at the biotech sector and our CRISPR shares. So PFE is on the top with 1.5% appreciation today, followed by Novartis at 1.2 and Vertex at 0.25 and PACB at 0.26. So PACB has got a little bit of credit because I think of the way they have handled their product management. They have made their product better, versatile, increased their customer base, and also have provided options for free upgrades of functionality. And that's probably what is being appreciated by the market, because it's a very red day. And today, if PACB managed to gain some positive traction, that's really admirable. So I'm thrilled about that. If you look at CRISPR, it is just slightly behind with minus 5-6% negative, and it's being constrained down. Let us look at CRSP. Let's go into CRSP. CRSP is constrained down by the 9-day and the 20-day EMA, which is this yellow line and the orange line respectively. The MACD is bullish and the momentum is flat. So we should eventually see, by the end of the day, we should see CRISPR either going a bit positive or flat. That is my personal opinion based on their results. I really liked what I saw in their results, and I continue to remain bullish on CRISPR. Regeneron is the next one, which is down minus 7%. That is down $4.42. It's being supported by the 9-day EMA, which is the yellow line. MACD is bullish, but momentum is falling. So we have a resistance here, which is new. Earlier support at 629.02 is now going to become a resistance. I'm converting that into a resistance. And if we go on to Teledoc, we are down 1.33%. That's almost $1. And we are constrained by the 20-day EMA, which is the orange line, which happens to be at 75.26. We are right now at 73.93. And our support is at 73.64, which is the 9-day EMA. That is the yellow line that you see here. It's just right below this. So it's a very, very difficult position for Teledoc. The MACD is bullish. The momentum is flat. I expect Teledoc is going to improve a bit and before the end of the day. Let's go on to look at Allogene, which is down 1.7%. And it's constrained by all the 4 moving averages. MACD is bullish, but momentum is not there. IMTX is down minus 3.18%. That's around 29 cents. Again, it's constrained by all the 4 exponential moving averages. That is 9, 20, 50, and 100-day exponential moving averages. MACD is flat and the momentum is flat. The overall market is bad. So I don't expect anything good for IMTX today. Beam is down 1.65%. And it's being supported by the 50-day EMA, which is the fluorescent green line. And we have a bullish MACD, but momentum is falling. Beam may probably improve slightly before the close of market, but it's not looking good right now. ARCG is down minus 2.07%. That's almost $1. MACD is bullish, but momentum is falling. Overall market sentiment is negative, and that's why I don't think ARCG is going to do any better. Editas is down 2.22%. And it's being constrained by all the 4 exponential moving averages, 9, 20, 50, and 100 respectively. MACD is bullish, but momentum is very weak. So nothing good is coming for Editas today right now, given the current market conditions. Intelia is down 3.11%. It's being supported by the 9-day and the 20-day EMA, which is the orange and the green line respectively. They are at 94.52 and the 94.84 levels. Whereas currently Intelia is at 95.46. The MACD is bullish, but momentum is falling. So it's not looking good here either. Bluebird is down 3.98%, and it's being constrained by the 4 exponential moving averages. And also the MACD is weak but bullish. The momentum is absolutely weak. So that's again another negative for Bluebird. Verve is down minus 5.44%. It's got a bullish MACD, but momentum is dropping. It's being supported by the 9-day and 20-day EMA. And also we have got a horizontal support at 92.72. Right now we are at 30.23. So Verve is also looking weak. So overall, the market is looking weak because of the Ukraine tensions. The Russian army has moved off some contingents, and that's been in the news, and they've also given some video proofs. But the overall market needs to calm down and has to buy into the fact that Russia is de-escalating. When that happens, we'll see a little more improvement in the VIX and therefore in the NASDAQ. And therefore in the CRISPR sectors. But overall, if I was to look at the last 2 results from the CRISPR sector, I am still heartened, and we are still looking at the time frame of around 5 years for us to see monetization from most of these companies. So overall, I'm bullish, but we live in a market, and the market has got a lot of different players looking at different segments of the economy, and there is a fear factor. None of the risks are getting deleveraged except for the Ukraine tensions, which is kind of simmering down a little bit. And we need to see the market buy into the proof that Russia is giving, and then we'll see something positive. That's about all from me at this point of time. Thanks for watching the videos, and thanks for all your positive comments and supports. Please don't forget to put a like here. And those of you who are here for the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing for everything CRISPR. And please do put a like. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.